Hi there! Today I'm going to share with you how to write a JavaScript program that allows you display a picture when you type a value in the input box. I will write a JavaScript conditional statement to find the value that the user writes and display the picture with the specified value. In other words, imagine that you are in a website that tells you the famous dish of a country when you type its name. For example, if you type Morocco, you have an image with its famous dish, which is tagine, okay? If you write Spain, if you type Spain, you have an image with its famous dish, which is paella. And if you write other country, for example, Italy, Germany, whatever, you have a text as an answer. You have sorry, not available, okay? Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. For example, here this or our website. So if I write Morocco, I have, and I click on the button, I have the photo, okay, the picture and the name of the dish. If I write Spain, I have paella, the picture and it's the dish name, okay. And if I write Italy, I have sorry, not available. Now, how can we do this? Let's go and see and open our Visual Studio Code. I have here a very simple HTML document, and I have a file, a JavaScript file. Okay, it's empty. It doesn't work. Okay, so here I have an input with the ID ENP. I have two pictures, okay, two images. I have a button, okay, when I put on click, which is an event. All right, so when I click on the button, I want you to do this. And I have a tag, an image tag to put the answer, and a p tag or a p element to put the answer of the text. So first of all, let's create a function and let's call it preset, okay? Parentheses, and let's open the curly brackets. Let's create first of all a variable and let's call it food, for example. Assignment operator, it's a document dot get element by ID, parentheses, quotes, and we'll write enp, which is the value that the user writes in the input box, okay? So we want to select, we want to grab, we want to have this value. I don't know why my Visual Studio write this, but okay, it's fine. So dot value and semicolon, all right? And let's create another variable when where we can put the text, okay, the name of the dish, and in the last case to say not available, okay? So let txt assignment operator, and it's empty, okay, just quotes. Now we will use the conditional statement switch. We will use switch case. So switch between parentheses, I write food, I open the curly brackets, write case, and between quotes I write Spain dots, okay, and food. So now I want to assign the value of the variable food in this case. So if the person writes Spain, I want to assign the food, okay, the variable or the value of the variable food. I want to put the image. So I write document dot get element by ID between parentheses image 1, which is we have in the HTML document, okay, the first image, the paella, okay, and dot src semicolon, and above the text I just write txt assignment operator, and I write the name of this dish, which is paella, okay, and I finish it with break. So if you find that the user write Spain, do this and stop. Break. Okay? If not, in the case of Morocco, for example, so what we can do, just let me check if it's work. So we'll write document dot get element. Okay, get element by ID, and here between parentheses I write response. So okay, where I want to show the answer of this question of Spain. So I want to put the image in the response in the image tag that has the ID response. Okay, exactly. So I show you exactly in the response. Now about the text, I would just write response 1 and dot inner HTML and write the text, which is the paella, so the txt. All right. So now let's try and see if it works. Good. So that's it. So now it's question of copy paste. Okay, so we can copy the entire switch, okay, from Bricktail the case Spain, and just change Spain and write Morocco. And in the case of the element image2, okay, and here we can write tagine. Okay. In the case of other country, we write default dots, and here, because we don't have an image, we leave it empty. Okay, just we write quotes and leave it empty, and in the text we say sorry, it's not available. Okay, or not available. Okay, and now let's try. So in the case of Morocco, we have the photo, the picture, and the name tagine. In the case of Spain, if I write Spain, I have here okay, the picture of paella and its name. And if I write, for example, Italy, Germany, whatever, sorry, not available. So this is the exercise of today. I hope that you enjoy it. I hope that you understand how to do it by yourself, and see you next time. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.